All right, let's take a look at an alternative for a 3-octave E minor scale on a 7-string guitar. And this one's pretty cool because there's really no shifting, and I'll show you what I mean. To play this particular scale, we're going to start on our E note on our on string 6, and I'm going to play my second tone on string 7. So I'm going to go to that one, and I'll show you how that's going to work. Watch. So what I did is I started the scale on this string here, the E note, and then I just took off on fret 7 on string 6. And I went 7, 8, 9, and then 7, 8, 9 on string 6. And then on string 5, I just went to string 7, fret 7 on string 5, which is your E note. So there's 1 octave, so I went. Okay, now to go to our next octave, we're gonna go 7, 9, 10 on that string, and then on string 3, 7, 9, 10. Oh, string 4, I'm sorry, that was string 4 and string 5. Okay, once again, string 5, same frets on string 4. On string 3, we're gonna play 2 notes. We're gonna play 7 and 9. That's our E note right there, so that's our second octave. And then we're gonna go to string 2 and play frets 7, 8, and 10. And then on string 1, we're gonna play frets 7, 8, 10, and 12. And that's our third octave. So watch, here's how it goes. From string 6, nice and slow, string 7, and there's your 3 octaves. Now, the reason why I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I said with no shifting, is because when I teach this on a 6-string guitar, you have to do it like this. And as you see, I shifted 3 times. When I'm here, I don't shift at all. So that's a nice, easy way to do a complete 3-octave scale. It just depends if you just want to, if you wanted to run and have a dynamic. I don't know, something like that, or however you want to run, I'm just showing you an example on how you can mix things together there. But basically, and there it is, your 3-octave E minor scale on 7 string. Have a great day, practice, and subscribe.